What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to make a Father's Day coupon book. These are all the things that you need. A stapler, some tape, some scissors, 7 pieces of this size construction paper, whatever color you like, or however many you'd like. Now if you're using 7 pieces of construction paper, use 13 of this white. 2 black squares of paper that are the same size around this size. 1 little strip of black paper, and finally, some colored markers. I chose Sharpies. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so the first step is to tape all of the white cards onto the front and back of these cards. When you're finished with that step, your cards should look like this, front and back, each of them, except for the very back one that's going to be at the back of the book. Should only have it on one side. Step number 2 will be making the bow tie. So you're going to make this out of the 2 black squares and this little black piece. So this is how you make the bow tie. You make a little fan out of one of the squares, and if you don't know how to make one of the fans, then just go front and then bend it back. And then front, and then back. Then you do that with the other square too. Once you've folded both of these, you put them together and staple them, like this, and then staple. After you're done stapling them, you put this strip of black paper around it, and then you tape that. You're done with your bow tie, don't tape it on just yet. You gotta start your coupons. So for an example, you could put, "Us kids will make you dinner," or something like that. Here are my finished coupons. I have a lot of them on each side of all of these. So once you are done writing out your coupons, then on the front, the one that you want on the front of your page, you have to tape this bow tie on this. Well, I'm using double-sided tape, but you could just roll tape if you would like. Once you finish taping on your bow tie and doing your cover, then you hole punch them. You hole punch a hole, and then you tie it with yarn. Once you're done, this is what it should look like, or close to it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope your dad really likes the gift that you made. So like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye.